Now, is that gonna come off in the pillow?
It shouldn't.
I'm not asking you, Cameron.
You got white pillows?
Yeah.
You got a do-rag?
No.
You got a scarf?
I got a hat that's like silky on the inside.
No, he got something that's silky on the inside, but it looks like a skull cap.
Okay. We're gonna get you a scarf. Anytime you have like any type of gel in your hair or any type of product and you got a white pillowcase, you're gonna make sure you have a scarf or a bonnet or they got man bonnets.
Yeah.
I don't care. I told him he needed a bonnet when he showed me that skull cap. I said, "Boy, this ain't no bonnet."
Close your eyes for me.
That whole spray.
Yes, ma'am. Got to be. This is like temporary hair color. Get up. How you holding up over there?
Me?
Yeah.
It's gonna be rather interesting getting out of here, that gentleman. Truly.
You caught the number 10 to get here? The number 10?
I'm trying to know. We call the 8 to the 10.
I normally catch the 10 downtown to get home. Put your headphone. Shake your head.
You got a bathroom?
Yes. Take a look at yourself first.
I like it. Yeah.
You're sharp.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take a quick photo. Let's see. Take it from this side.
Damn, your head leaning.
Trying to get it right against the wall where it's a white background. Right there. Okay. Restroom's down the hall by the vending machine. The men's is on the left, the women's is on the right. Hold up. Gotta sanitize you. It's called a diffusion.